Let's count up the valence electrons. We have 12 electron pairs to distribute across the structure. Let's first connect the center and the outside atoms. We'll complete the octet of the outside atoms, and we'll see when that's done that we've used all 12 of our electron pairs. But nitrogen is electron deficient, so we're going to have one double bond. We can represent this process by taking one of the lone pairs and converting it to a bonding pair. This will result in 3 different resonance structures. The only difference between the resonance structures are where the electrons are located. So we're going to have a double bond on this oxygen atom, on the down oxygen atom, and on the right oxygen atom. Now we can fill in our lone pairs, and we'll see that each atom in each structure has a complete octet. And each of these is an equivalent resonance structure.